Good day everyone, how are you all today? Welcome to another video. My name is Hussain and I'm back again to bring you all on 9th of December new updates in the financial markets. Alright, first of all, I would like to actually talk about that in the Asian market, stocks actually surged, right? Asian shares rose to a hit record and US stock futures gained on Wednesday as investors tracked positive news on COVID-19 vaccines and ongoing effort to launch more fiscal stimulus. Right, as you could see that a Dow 30 is right in front of me, exactly right in between this pattern. This is an amazing strong bullish pattern that you could ever see, and I will see that the breaker is going to be all the way to the upside. Right, MSCI's broad index of Asia Pacific shares outside Japan rose about 0.51%. At one point the index reached about 646.10 on all-time peak. And also, when we talk about Australian stock market, shares gained about 0.69%. Japan's Nikkei rose about 1.01% to approach a 29.5-year time high. Right, so the sentiment got an added boost after Japanese data pointed to a rebound in capital expenditure. So overall, globally, I would see that the sentiment is changing, and I would see that the more confidence is coming up. Most of the stocks are developing a strong bullish pattern, guys. I'm letting you all know in advance, and I was spoken to you all earlier that most of the stocks are giving us a very strong bullish pattern. As you could see here on S&P 500 as well, it is also it's going to be really bullish in the near-term future, right? And when we talk about British pound, which is a little bit unchanged, we have got another main highlights on the British pound, because we have got the Brexit deal right around the corner. Let me just see. So the British pound a little bit unchanged before make or break talks that actually on a trade deal between Britain and European Union. What I see that here is well, we gotta wait and see, guys. It's going to be a very choppy pattern. However, let's wait and see what happens in the next 20 in the couple of hours. So these few hours is going to be really critical and likely to cause market volatility depending on what is or isn't agreed, right? So guys, just a quick update on that. And we also saw, US policymaker continue to negotiate over additional stimulus to help offset the economic impact of the pandemic while pursuing a stopgap government funding bill. Leaders in both parties remain adamant a deal must be struck, but are still working towards it, sticking points including aid to state and local government and business liabilities protection. Right, so the steady march of positive news in COVID-19 vaccine helped lift investor spirits way higher. This is why you see that the stock market is actually looming all the way up, right? Against against the basket of the other currency pairs, I see that the dollar actually still sitting at about 90.92, which is about 0.5% of our 2.5-year low if it hit a Friday or a short sellers piled in. Right, so guys, that's all for the middle of the weekly updates. We saw a gain in the stock market. We also have got eyes on a pound dollar. Then we saw a gold also. I see this making it on its way to make a corrective structure. I've spoken about it, and from there we will see what will be next. However, more detailed information, I would see that more pair by pair, we will be actually analyzing and giving you our forecast during our London session forecast. Stay tuned and be with us, and we will be seeing you guys later on during our London session. Right, so as for now, guys, I've spoken about gold. This is around a selling zone. Let's wait until it develop a potential sell-off structure. Right, you cannot just simply sell or buy. You gotta wait, patience, and wait for a development of a structure progression, and then only you go and take your entry. As for now, guys, so thank you very much for listening. As for now, I'll be signing off. I'll be back again soon to bring you more updates, and as promised, no matter wherever we are, no matter whatever we are doing, we make sure that we bring you the best news. We make sure we bring you the best analysis that is adding value and also helpful to you become a profitable trader and investors. So for now, signing off. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you guys again. Bye bye.